Hi, I'm Liv and this is 1 Minute Wednesdays, where we teach you how to heat print in 1 minute, how to apply 2 transfers at once. Here's how it works. If you're decorating garments with a heat press, one of the biggest time-saving techniques you can learn is how to apply 2 transfers at once. You're going to need the Hotronix tag-along platen. The tag-along platen allows you to thread the garment onto the press and position smaller print areas more easily. We're going to do a pre-press. Place a transfer onto the garment on the chest. We're going to pull the t-shirt through the platen, and then we're placing the transfer onto the smaller neck area. Once your transfers are both aligned, we're going to do the main press to apply both transfers at the same time. The key benefit here is efficiency and consistency. You complete both transfers in a single cycle. With the right setup and a little bit of patience, this method could easily double your output while keeping your finishes clean and professional.